It's a good sounding speaker for the price if you get it on sale. So let's see what the other features are. Today I have a iHome Melody speaker. This one's called the iHome Grip. It's got a rubberized textured pattern to it. It's splash proof. 16 hours of playtime. That's pretty impressive. It's got a passive subwoofer. You can play music from Iheart Radio, Spotify, and premium NPR using your voice. You don't need to have it plugged in like the Google Home. It's completely portable. It's got its own battery. So here are some of the features. So the model number on this is IBT77. You can connect two of these and get stereo sound. Top firing speaker. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Let's have a quick unboxing. Here we go. Okay, what do we get here? User manual. Put in this little thing. Here's a speaker. And is there anything else in here? Yes. So what you get, micro USB, charging cable, and a little lanyard carrying strap for your speaker. Let's unpeel this one. Oh, so it's upside down in the box. Okay, well, here you go. That's a nice little small unit. Fits in your hand. Just a little bigger than a pop bottle. Okay, so what do you have in the back here? You got your play pause. I guess that tells you your power meter. Volume up, volume down. It's got an auxiliary in and your USB in for charging. So that's nice. That's nice. It's snug right there. That keeps it nice and waterproof. So you can hook your lanyard up here. Okay, so we're gonna charge this up, come back and test it out and see how this sounds. And I will bring in a few other Bluetooth speakers to compare to, even though they don't have the voice control for melody and whatnot. Okay, so the unit is charged up. I got the microphone about 2 feet away, and I'm gonna use auxiliary cable today. I'm gonna use my JBL Clip Plus as well as a comparison, because that's a 3.2 watt speaker and it's a single driver as well with passive bass radiator built into it. First up, we'll use the iHome with the auxiliary in. I was able to connect Bluetooth, however it did take me about a few minutes to connect Bluetooth to my phone because it was a new connection. But we'll use power on here. You have to hold on for 3 seconds. We'll use auxiliary cable today and we'll try it out. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now we'll go 100% volume. We'll try a different track. So there's a little sound sample of the iHome Grip compared to some other speakers I have here, like the JBL Clip Plus, which only has 3.2 watts, and the Tronsmart Element T1, which has a total of 10 watts, two 5-watt speakers and a passive bass radiator. So the iHome has a single driver with passive bass radiator in here. So what it sounds like it's 10 watts of power coming out of this one driver. So getting the iHome, it's a decent speaker. There's a little distortion at max volume. However, it does sound good. Loud enough to fill up a room, a living room, or kitchen, or office space. Or it's perfect for taking out with you to the beach or picnic. It's splash proof. I did get it at London Drugs for $20 on sale. Regular was $79.99 or $80. It's a good Bluetooth speaker. It sounds pretty good. Probably not as good as a $180 Google Home or Amazon Echo. However, it's a good sounding speaker for the price if you get it on sale. I hope this helps you decide whether you want this speaker or not. And thanks for watching my video. Have an awesome day.